clouds are heavy like our silence. 7 stories, looking down on the gridlock. My shirt's already transparent, but I'd walk through a monsoon for that nasty lemon on your stove. The air is thick enough to chew, but your eyes are the only shade I need. I'm stuck on the federal highway, but I never felt so free. Oh, this tropical heat is nothing compared to you. We're drowning in the humidity, but the view is brand new. Patrona's lights reflecting in the puddles of the street. Kuala Lumpur is heavy, baby, but you make it sweet. Yeah, you make it so sweet. I found a piece of durian at the stall in the back. Smelled like a crime scene, but it tasted like a dream. Just like us, baby, a little chaotic and loud, but we're the only ones shining through this heavy cloud. Don't need a map when I'm following your heartbeat. Dodging the motorbikes on this Jalan Raja Chulan beat. The flash floods coming down like the tears I never cried, but I'm sheltered by the way you stay right by my side. Oh, no umbrella needed, just the rhythm of the rain on the glass. Watching the city move, watching the minutes pass, baby, it's just you and me. Oh, this tropical heat is nothing compared to you. Yeah. Drowning in the humidity, but the view is brand new. Patrona's lights reflecting in the puddles of the street. Kuala Lumpur is heavy, baby, but you make it sweet. You know you make it so sweet. Keep it sticky, baby. Just like the air. Yeah, KL. Traffic's finally moving, but I'm staying right here. Stay with me, stay.
KL heat wave, steel rain falling down fast. Twin towers looking back, neon pulse gonna last. Burn it up, Kuala Lumpur night. Twin towers, geometry in the light. Malaysia boost, mindset agoin. High above the bombs, we're taking the throne. Hey, hey, Kuala Lumpur. Nasi lemak aroma, spices in the dark. Satay smoke rising, leaving a mark. Китайский квартал, где смешаны все языки. Concrete jungle flowers, breaking the bricks. Это Малайзия, фоны все яркие. Under the canopy, shadows are deep. City of light, never falling asleep. Это Malaysia, духи of night, catching the
taking the throne.